Welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you download and install Google Chrome in Windows 11. To download and install Google Chrome in Windows 11, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now there, what you have to do is, in order to install it, you want to open up your Microsoft Edge. Make sure you do not get confused. You have to open up your Microsoft Edge and not Store. So once you have actually opened it up, then you want to go ahead and on the search box or here on the search the web, you want to type in Google Chrome. As you locate it, so you want to go ahead and click on the first link that comes, Google Chrome. And next thing is what you have to do is click on download Chrome. You actually installed it, so it's gonna be open up in an exe file. So you want to open up the file location. So here is the exe file. You want to double click on it and then run the installation. Follow the on-screen prompt, and with that being said, you'll be able to download your Google Chrome in your laptop as well as PC. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.